Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I will be showing you a 4-step pedicure process that you can do at home using the Voesh pedi in the box, and I'm using the pumpkin pie just for that fall vibe. So this process is going to help you to soften your feet and maximize hydration. So step 1 is soaking your feet in some warm water with the sea salt soak. So the sea salt soak is going to detox your feet, remove toxins and impurities that may be within the skin, and it also helps to relieve stress and achy muscles in the feet. Maybe you stand on your feet all day, so this is perfect. So I like to soak my feet for about 10 to 15 minutes in that sea salt soak, and it feels so good. It's such a nice feeling on the feet, so relaxing. The second step is to use the sugar scrub to exfoliate the feet. So exfoliating the feet helps to remove dead skin cells that can appear as dry and cracked. And exfoliating also helps to improve the circulation of blood to the feet, so your feet may look a lot healthier and a lot smoother after doing a great exfoliation. So the mud mask is the third step, and it is my absolute favorite. I just personally love the way my feet feels after doing a mud mask. So the mud mask helps to unclog the pores of the skin on the feet. It also detoxes, draws out impurities from within the skin, and it softens the skin tremendously. Think of this more like a super rich, deep treatment, but for the feet. It feels absolutely amazing with this stuff on and off. So I like to let mine sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off. Now that I have rinsed off the mud mask, I am moving on to polishing my feet, and I'm starting with the OPI base coat. So this is going to prevent my nails from staining, and it just provides a nice first layer before I put on my color so that the color can have something to stick to, and it helps it to last longer as well. So I'm just using a 3-stroke method, one in the middle, one on the side, and then the opposite side. So make sure that your nail bed is free of all oil. So I didn't show myself putting alcohol on my feet before I go ahead and polish it. That's important because you want the polish to be able to stick to the nail and not lift as easily. So I went with a fall theme color, and I'm using the Essie Gel Couture Fab Floral. So it does look a lot brighter on camera for some reason, but it's a lot darker. It's like a burnt orange. So I am painting my nails by starting in the middle of that nail bed, go and do another stroke on the right side of that nail bed, and then on the left side. So I did do 2 coats of this polish on my nail. To make sure that my color lasts for about a week and a half, I go ahead and use the SC Platinum Finish Top Coat. Just one layer of this helps to seal and locks everything in, and it also provides a nice gel-like finish that looks really shiny even though I didn't use a lamp on my nails. Now I am doing the fourth and final step of the pedi in the box, and this is the massage butter. So this is more like a thick, really rich lotion that I put on my feet, and I just massage that in. When it first goes on, it looks really white, but this stuff blends so well into the feet. It leaves a nice moisturized look that's very shiny, like I put on oil but I didn't. It is so good and it's the perfect way to end my pedicure. So since this is a limited edition, it did come with the matching hand cream. So I'm just using that to massage it and moisturize my hands. So everything in this kit is vegan, clean ingredients, and the key ingredients are olive oil and pumpkin extract to really help to hydrate and soften the skin.